Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new video, and if you're new, I'm Jen. Welcome. Hi, what's up? So this is the look I will be doing for you guys in this video. I have been seeing this matte black smoky eye like floating around on YouTube, and I'm like, no, I have to get on that because it is so simple and it is so glam. It is so beautiful. Like once you blend those colors together, baby. So if you're interested, if you like what you see, then keep on watching. Hi guys, so fresh face, so you know what's about to go down. I hope you're excited about this video, and I'm not sure if it will be a long one or a short one, but anyways, get your snacks, get your juice, and let's just jump right into it. So I'm going to start off by doing my brows, and I'll be using the AOA Wonder Brow Tinted Brow Pomade. I'll be taking my Mikasa angled brush. This is the E100, and I'm just going to put that in my brow. And I have been using a pomade lately to fill in my brows. Even on days where I don't wear makeup, I'm using this product. So I am now on the pomade train. For concealer to clean up my brows, I'll be using the Pretty Fresh concealer from Colourpop, and this is in the shade Dark 175N. If you guys are interested in a review on this product as well as the hyaluronic tinted moisturizer that came up with this concealer, I will leave the link in the iCard section right here. I did a full review on both products, so when you finish watching this video, you can head on over and check out that video. I love this concealer. This is one of my everyday concealer as well, so I love it. The shade, the texture, everything, the finish, really nice. So I'm just going to go in and carve up my brows. I'm using a Vanity Planet concealer brush. So that is my brow for now, and you guys notice I'm doing my brows before foundation. That's because I'm using a black eyeshadow, and like when you're doing a black smoky eye, you want under your eyes to be immaculate. So I am going to do my skin last. I'm going to do my eyes first. That doesn't happen often here on this channel. If you're new, hi, by the way, welcome. So that doesn't happen often, me doing my my eyes first. I usually do skin first and then eyes. So what I'm gonna do is take the same concealer and put that on my lids just as a base, just a little bit. Typically I would go in with a darker like eyeshadow primer, but I can't find it right now, so I'm just going to use concealer. Before I go any further with my eyes, I'm going to set the concealer with the Colourpop No Filter Setting Powder in Translucent. Okay. And now we're ready for shadow. So that's how you prep your eyes, with concealer and setting powder. You don't have to use the setting powder. I don't usually use the setting powder, but for this instance I decided to use it. So the two palettes I'll be using are the Morphe 3502 Neutral, this is all me right here, as well as the Morphe Warrior 2 by Juvia's Place. So I'm going to first go in with the Morphe palette. I'll be using the shade Spice, this one here. And I'm taking that on a Morphe 441, M441, and I'm going to put this in my crease. The next shadow I'll be taking is Rich, and it's this rich chocolate shade from the same palette, same brush. And I'm focusing that on my outer V, which is like right out at the outer corner of the eye. And then pulling it in. M441 blending brush from Morphe and going with the first shade, that's Spice, and just blend right here. I don't want to mess up the shade. The shadow we're going in with is the black. We could also use the charcoal gray from the Warrior 2 palette. I'm going to go in with this first. I'm going to start with this just in case the black is too black. So I'm going to go in with that with a flat eyeshadow brush, and this is from BH Cosmetics. It's from one of their brush sets. I've had this for years. I don't even know if they still sell this set, but just going to go in with the charcoal. This is Walzana. The shade is called Walzana. And I need to make sure to carry that up to my crease, because we're going to blend that. It's not black enough, so I'm going to go in with the actual black shade and press that on top. Go into my inner corners because I'll be putting a different shades there. So to blend out my crease, I'm going back into the Morphe 3502 palette, and I'll be using these two shades, Muddy and Brunette. These two, and this is just to fuse the lighter browns with the black. And I'm going in with the Bizante Contour Eyeshadow 4 brush. Blending makes or breaks this look, okay? So whatever you do, make sure you blend the crease. So guys, I did my lashes. These are the Mink 3D Hair A40 lashes, I think. I got these from Amazon. So it's time for the skin now. As I said, we need the skin to look immaculate, like perfect. So before foundation, I'm going to use my Cover FX blurring primer.
But at last I can finally breathe, and I know it cannot last, but at last I can finally see.
For foundation, I'll be using the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer, and this is in the shade 14 Golden Toffee. haven't used this foundation in a little while, but tried and true. So I'm going to use one pump and a flat top foundation brush. It kind of pulling red. I'm not sure if you guys are seeing it, but I'll correct that with my concealers. And this is a full coverage foundation. I don't know if you guys remember this foundation, by the way. It came out like a long time ago. My face is so red, but it's really good, and it's drugstore and affordable. So there is that. So for concealer, I'll be using the ColourPop Pretty Fresh. This is the same concealer I used for my brows. So this is a little trick I like to do with my concealer. Going with a brush. This is the same brush I used to blend out the concealer on my brows, under my brows. I'm going to go in and kind of like blend out the highlighting concealer just a little bit. And I'm going to blend it like properly, just kind of smooth it out a little and let it stay there for a couple of minutes, well, a few seconds. Just to dry down, and then I'll go in with the sponge. So I still need a little bit more brightness under my eyes, so I'm going in with my Jeffree Star concealer in the shade C20. I'm not going to put this directly on my skin. I'm just going to put it on the back of my hand and then use the same fluffy brush and just put that in my right here. I'm just going to go in and blend it right away because I don't remember how fast it sets and I don't want it to mess up my look. So I'm just keeping that right in that spot. Yes. To set the highlighted areas, I'll be using the Danessa Merrick's Evolution powder in the shade 03, and I just love how this powder sets, so I just have to use it. And I'm using the same sponge. I just love how this powder is amazing. It sets my under eye, it just smooth it out like blurred. To bump up under my eyes a little bit, I'm going in with the Laura Mercier translucent, same sponge, and just like what I did with the concealer, the lighter concealer, I'll be doing this with the powder just right under here. Alright, so while we have that sitting here, I'm going in with my setting powder, and this is the Iman pressed powder in Earth Medium. I'm just going to use this to set the rest of my face. I've set my skin, set the rest of my face. Now it's time to bronze, and I'm using my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. And I'm going in with the contour shade and using my Mikasa F111 brush. So for blush, I'll be using the Alamar Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio. And I'll be using this shade and this shade. And then now we can go in with my favorite part, the highlighter. I'm using the Steve Laurent Jelly Highlighter in the shade Prosecco Please. And for my highlighting brush, I'm using my Morphe M501. And for lips, I'll be going with a nude lippy. So I'm going to line my lips with my Morphe Trendsetter. Guys, I keep telling you about this lip liner. This is the Morphe Trendsetter lip liner. Get on it. Like, this lip liner is it, okay? And the liquid lipstick I'll be using is the Oba Beauty liquid lip in Oba. And then for gloss, I'm using the Palladio French Kiss lip gloss. These Palladio glosses are really nice and affordable. And that completes the look. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for staying tuned. If you've reached this far and you haven't hit that subscribe button down below, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification as well, so you're notified whenever I upload. Thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.